in this question, we are given two reciprocal trig ratios, and we're asked to find their values at a given degree. So let's start off with the first one, secant of 37, SEC 37 degrees. Now I'm going to have to pull out my calculator here because there is no way to do this quickly in your head. I mean, there are some tricks with some things, but let me pull this up here. Bring it to the side. Okay, so if I scroll through here, okay, those are my trig functions. I don't see any kind of, SEC, secant 37. So I'm going to have to use my base trig ratio to figure this out. What do I mean by that? Well, secant 37 is 1 over cosine of 37 degrees. Now, cos of 37 I can calculate. In fact, I'm going to go to my calculator over to my right-hand side here, and I just want to make an observation, a preamble, that when you're using your calculator, make sure that you're in a degree mode and not radian. It's a common error to be in radian mode at this stage. It's not that it's wrong, it's just that we're going to be measuring everything in degrees. So I'm going to tap on DEG and go over here. So 37 cosine, I'm going to go 37 and then press my cos button. And that gives me some big long decimal. So I'm going to write 1 over 0.76541, and I'm going to stop there. I don't have to be that, specific. And now I'm going to evaluate it. Okay, I'm going to do 1 divided by that, and sometimes there is a button. Okay, if you see here on the right-hand side, there's a button 1 over x. You press that, and it just, divides that number into 1, which gives me 1.3064. And there's your value of secant 37. Let's look at cotangent now. So I have cotangent of 83 degrees. That's 1 over tan of 83 degrees, which equals, well, let's clear our stuff here and do tan of 83. So I'm going to go 83 tangent, and I get 8, well, let me put that in the fraction, 8.1443. And if I want to find the value of that, not as a fraction but as a decimal, I just press that. I get 0.1227, and I'll stop there. Again, you can get very accurate with these numbers, but I think that level of precision is good enough. So there are your values of secant 37 and cotangent of 83.